All right, so we are at the GenAI Zurich 2025 event, and this year Visium has a very large presence here, as you can see, because we are one of the strategic sponsors of the event. Because in Techno Park, this is where our Zurich office is. And it's been a very fruitful day today, actually, because not only we've spoken to many of our potential clients, also there's been quite a few people and companies that's trying to make us their clients as well. And besides that, there's been quite a few very courageous individuals that approached our booth and handed us their CV. And it seems like everyone is very eager to work at Visium, so we found that super cool. That's why we like to be at events like this, to stay close to our friends and our peers, and to see where the direction is going for our industry. And most importantly, we want to participate in the conversations that's happening and craft the future together for the AI industry of tomorrow.